What's up, guys? This is Nick here. We're at Baker Motorsports today talking about the 2021 Honda Rubicon. All right, guys, so we've added a wheel and tire package on this Honda Rubicon here from ITP to help you with the off-road performance and to actually help you with the aesthetics of the machine. And then we also added a winch on the front there to help you get you out of those sticky situations. As always, you're going to give you that reliability and durability that Honda's known for with the Rubicon. Plus, you can't beat that matte green metallic color. Again, guys, this is Nick with the Baker Motorsports sales team. Feel free to give me a call. I'm sure this thing's not going to last very long.